Hey, it's Anthony. This is iBlooper. 1 sec. I'm gonna show you how I do these all special effects. Well, this guy. 1 sec. This guy. It's just a little thing that I have built into my computer. Whatever I wink, whatever I do, he does. The teddy bear, same thing, same idea. Snowman and a girl. And this is just special effects too. You might already know that. Cowboy, Halloween, flying, pirate, one I use a lot, football, and that. And then these are also special effects. Like, you never see me using these. There's a few more. So, girl stuff. Do not feed. Let me try. Four score and 7 years ago. Sorry, I'm just playing around. Anyway, yeah, these are all stuff. Cause I'm on it. Special effects, special effects, special. And then yeah. So that's about it.